This trip, we sailed with some amazing sailors on what seemed like a luxury yacht compared to slow ride. We had so many firsts on this trip. We opened up new bridges, we went through the Sturgeon Bay Channel, sailed on Lake Michigan, and stayed at a few new marinas. We even discovered a new anchorage on the north part of Detroit Island in Pedersen Bay. Looking back, it seemed like we spent the trip dodging high winds and big waves. Mark and I have a saying, if it ain't fun, don't do it. Since 8-foot waves didn't seem like a lot of fun, we decided to cut our trip short and head back. Last episode, we made it to Egg Harbor, and since this is our first time visiting this marina, I'm going on a morning walk before we head back to Wavepointe.
Okay, head to the race course. Give you a waypoint mark and you can handle the boat.
I think Dave wants it. Or you should run the boat. Didn't start too tight.
You're overpinched.
Yeah, you look pinched.
Burn your pinched her off.
That's Green Island ahead, and today we decided that it would be a good opportunity to anchor out, have lunch, maybe go for a swim. And in it. like the best seat in the house for this race. Isn't there a race that you can only have 2 people on board around here?
I think I'm gonna do my little thing where I count and go 1, 2, 3, and then go
Are you?
in. No, I'm just gonna go in. Like that. It's balmy. Definitely a current. Okay, sit on this.
We put like 10 of those out.
Yeah.
Well, the trip was different than we expected, but it's always a good time when you're on a sailboat. So we ended up here at Green Island, which we got the chance to swim a little bit, have lunch. And we thought maybe we'd sleep overnight anchoring out at Green Island, but after we checked the forecast, we came to the conclusion that it's going to be almost 20 knots gust tonight. And if the wind would change a little bit, it would be too rocky rolly for the comfort and safety or whatever. So thought, best thing to do is go back. So we're heading back now to Wavepointe Marina, and we'll probably organize the boat, clean it up a little bit, and potentially just stay there tonight and go home tomorrow morning. So all in all, it's been a great trip. The weather hasn't been bad, and again, when you're on a boat, you're always having fun.
I second that. Oh my gosh, that boat's on fire. Oh my goodness.
Get the VHF on 16.
They said it's not anything. He gave it. Yeah, he gave us 2 thumbs up. Like
Yeah.
he doesn't need us.
We're at Wavepointe. We made it back. We got all tied up, took showers already, got our cocktails going. We're gonna have some dinner on the boat. It was a great afternoon overall.
It's the end of our cruise. Started in Wavepointe and ended in Wavepointe.
We did a whole loop. Did a whole loop around Door County. Started here. We went across through the channel at Sturgeon Bay, all the way up Lake Michigan side, come over top of Washington, or through Death Store, and then down, and we're back home.
Yep, that's kind of cool.
My head too big.
Your head is too long.
Next time we take some friends out on a boat for a night race, and we kind of got stopped by the DNR.
Lean this way, Shannon.
Have a good race!